Three easy content types that sell without feeling. Salesy selling doesn't have to feel awkward or pushy. If the idea of selling online makes you uncomfortable, this video is for you. If you want to start an online business and promote your offers without sounding like a commercial, there's a simpler way. In this video, we break down three content types that sell quietly and naturally without pressure or hype. These content styles build trust first, so selling feels like a natural next step instead of an uncomfortable moment. You'll learn how to use before and after stories that show real change and progress, mistake-based posts that lead organically into your solution, behind the scenes content that shows you working on your products and process. This approach is especially helpful for online business beginners who want to grow and sell but don't want to feel fake or aggressive online. When your content educates and connects first, selling becomes a byproduct, not the focus. You don't need clever sales tricks. You need content that feels honest, relatable, and aligned with how people actually make decisions. The Social Marketing Advantage Digital Kit is a practical digital product that gives you real examples, prompts, and guidance for each of these content types. It helps you integrate selling into your content naturally, especially useful if you're working with resale rights digital kits and want a system that feels authentic and sustainable.